Say hi, Judah. I'm wide awake and happy. Are you happy? You have the hiccups. You have a new outfit? You want to show off your outfit? Here it is. Oh, are you stretching? Here's your feet. Good. Show off your feet. Woo! Woohoo! Goodness. You alright? All better. Now let's show off your feet. There's little puppy dogs on your feet. There's little puppy dogs. There you go. There's your beautiful, cute face. You showing off your tongue? You look all confused. That's your normal look, though. Confused. You looking around? Time to stretch. Here's our little bed. It's a mess right now. That's okay. We had fun, didn't we? Didn't we have fun? Did Mommy and me have fun? You're just so cute. You know that? Ball of cute. Shut up. Blah. Blah. He's sticking out your tongue at him. He's sticking out your tongue. That's very rude. We have a lot to learn, don't we? Yes, we do. Okay, we're gonna say bye now. Wanna say bye-bye? Wanna wave? Okay, I'll help you. Ready? Bye! Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. That's your normal goodbye. You're getting sleepy. Sleepy. Okay, I'm gonna go now.